Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question asked in NEET exam. In this question, it is said that black box shown in the circuit contains resistors and independent sources. So this black box contains only resistors and independent sources. For R is equal to 0 and 2 ohm, the value of current I is equal to 3 ampere and 1.5 ampere. So if we put the value of R equal to 0 here, then current value I will be 3 ampere, and if we put R is equal to 2 ohm, then current value will be equal to 1.5 ampere. The value of I for R is equal to 1 ohm would be. So in this question, for R is equal to 1 ohm, the value of I has been asked. So these are the options were given in the question. Now let us see how can we solve this question. So we can solve this question by using two methods. In the first method, if we change this black box in Thevenin's equivalent circuit and VTH and RTH has been calculated, then we can find out value of current as R value is known. In the similar way, if we change this black box into Norton equivalent circuit, then IN and RN can be calculated, because we know that R value, then I value can be calculated. This information is given to us in the question that for 0 ohm 3 ampere current flows, and for 2 ohm 1.5 ampere current flows, and for 1 ohm the value of current has been asked. If we see this circuit, as we have replaced this black box with RTH and VTH, or we can say by using Thevenin's equivalent circuit, then circuit will be like this. So here current value I can be written as VTH upon RTH plus R. By using first condition, we can write current value I is equal to 3 ampere and VTH upon RTH plus R value is equal to 0. So VTH is equal to can be calculated as 3 RTH. By using second condition, we put this value in equation number 1, then this will be equal to I equal to 1.5 ampere and VTH upon RTH plus R equal to 2 ohm. By solving these two equations, we can find out RTH is equal to 2 ohm and VTH is equal to 6 volt. As we know that for R is equal to 1 ohm, value of current I has been asked. If we put all the calculated values, that is RTH and VTH, in this equation number 1 and R is equal to 1 ohm, then we can find out I value is equal to 2 ampere. So this I value is our answer which is asked in the question. Now let us see how can we solve this question by using Norton's equivalent circuit. We have removed this black box from the circuit and replaced it by Norton's equivalent circuit, that is IN current source and equivalent Norton resistance. So as we can see that in case 1, for 0 ohm value 3 ampere current flows. So R is equal to, if we put R is equal to 0 here, then this will be short circuited, and this short circuit current is given in the question, that is 3 ampere. As we know that if we short circuit the load, then the calculated current value, that is short circuit current, is our Norton's current. So here I is equal to ISC is equal to IN. So Norton current source value will be equal to 3 ampere. If we see this circuit, then I current value can be written as here a current source and two parallel resistance is connected. If this type of condition is given that current IN is flowing in two parallel resistance, then current in one resistance can be calculated as written here, the I equal to, we have to calculate current I in this R ohm resistance. So current I will be written as opposite resistance RN whole upon sum of both resistances Rn plus R into IN. Now we can use this condition for 2 ohm resistance, 1.5 ampere current is flowing. So put these values, 1.5 equal to Rn upon R plus R value is 2 ohm, and total IN current we have calculated here, that is 3 ampere. So Rn value is 2 ohm. Now we have calculated the value of Rn and value of IN. Now put these values in this equation and we can calculate for R is equal to 1 ohm the value of current in the circuit. So we have put a value of Rn and R and IN, then we can find out the value of I is equal to 2 ampere. So these type of questions are very important. It is usually asked in the examinations. Hope you will understand these concepts. See you guys in next videos.